whole idea is of controlling it through the thoughts, the so-called brain-machine interface. That was of interest, and some time back I tried whether the temperature of the palm can be raised, and thankfully we had some gadgets to measure the temperature, the external temperature. I was able to, just by focusing the mind, raise the temperature of the palm. So it is then we thought, why don't we use the brain signals itself to drive the drone. We have to make the drone to move up, come down, move right and left. So at least 4 commands are essential. So that I was able to generate just by focused thought. And yoga definitely helps, but still there are certain missing links, in the sense we are not able to exactly control. There is some delay, and there is a need to really understand which are the dominant signals that we need to look at, because there are 14 channels, which one to look, etc. So those works are underway now.